Hello friends, it's Tomb Raider, and I am participating in Gym 709's Old Spacers in Vrchat World Hopping Tour, taking place Sunday afternoons, 4 p.m. Eastern Time on Vrchat. And this world that you see me flying around at is Embry Square. Embry Square by Zero. Act 1, Chapter, Trial by Fire, Embry Square from Gears of War 2006. Map port by Zero. Original assets by Epic Games. You know, folks, I have not played Trial by Fire, or I'm sorry, Gears of War. I have not played that. So I changed my avatar into a drone. And everybody spread out, as you can see. Yeah, the soundtrack, it's like action. Woo! Look at that. Gives the viewer this feeling of suspense and possible imminent threat and demise. Oh, I hear choppers. I hear helicopters. Yeah. And then, let me show you what you can do. Open your launch pad. Click on respawn, and then you're brought here. You can choose from 6 different locations. I'm gonna choose location 3. Click, and here I am. This is location 3. So it's all within the map. I mean, all the locations are within the same world.
This is only chapter 1, act 1. You know,
Have
there's
you played that
multiple
game?
locations. No, I'm not into war games per se. They give me stress, so no, it was never my cup of tea. But I know that Microsoft and all of them and Epic Games really invested a lot
Oh.
in Gears of War. So, not as much. You know, yeah.
I am going to change into my Ready Player Me avatar, and off I go. Alrighty, looks like they may have created a portal. So time to leave, folks. So for now, Tomb Raider wishes everybody a wonderful weekend.